From darkness to light and back again. His future remains shrouded in mystery. His destiny is unclear. He is everlasting. He is perpetual. He is the Phenom. He is the Undertaker.
Happy birthday, Antonio Jr. Happy birthday, Antonio Jr.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It's Dan the Man and Antonio Jr. here, and today we're unboxing a box of Ken's salad dressing, Ken's Steakhouse salad dressing. Antonio doesn't believe me, but this is a box of salad dressing. I really wanted it, and I ordered some, and here it is. We're gonna unbox it here in my Undertaker room. What's that?
A rock.
The Rock?
Yeah, we go fight Undertaker.
Do you like salad dressing?
Nope.
Okay, well, you're gonna love this Ken salad dressing. All right, safety first, you know, when you're using knives. So let's just open this up here. Get the tape off of it.
I'm so excited to find Undertaker. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I know it's not my favorite. I'm wanting my favorite Undertaker.
I'm telling you, it's salad dressing.
No, it's not. It said not salad dressing.
Yeah, it says Ken salad dressing right on it.
No, I don't. It said Undertaker on it. Undertaker. What the hell is that?
Let's get all the wrap and stuff out of the way.
What the hell is that wrapping?
That's to keep the salad dressing. All right, let's show everyone what we got here in the box. Okay. All right, so are you ready to check out this salad dressing?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and check it out?
A Blade Undertaker for my fucking self. Oh my god, Jake!
That's a happy birthday present for you.
Oh, Jake, I know I'm doing Undertaker for an Undertaker. On the back, I need a bit more Undertaker. I need the team. I need the D1. Oh, no, Undertaker, I needed that too.
That's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah, the Undertaker.
Wow, now you have Great Undertaker and Purple Undertaker.
I'm doing Undertaker for an Undertaker.
Are you going to open it or save it?
I'm not opening that thing.
You're going to open it right now?
Yeah, I'm not opening it.
Let's open it here.
Okay, I'm doing the best for Undertaker.
Where are you going?
I
Hey,
don't want the best for
let's open it first.
No. I can't do this one.
Do you need help?
Oh,
Do you want to open it?
No, I know show the same.
Alright, well, thanks for checking out this video.
It is the same.
Is it? It's the same?
Yeah, the same. That was what that said.
Then, now, forever?
Then, now, ever.
Yeah. You gonna open it?
What? A box? No, it's not.
Go like this.
I opened. I told you another one, so I have two on now.
You have 2 urns now.
Yeah.
No way. So strong. Look at those muscles. Whoa.
Open it. It's ready to now. And I'm not sure what on the pan or my purple Undertaker.
So now you have Undertaker versus Undertaker.
Now I'm the boy Undertaker for purple
I
Undertaker.
got trash. Thank you. More trash. So this was a basic basic Undertaker.
Show the Undertaker, show the Undertaker. Open it now.
Then the Then Now and Forever series basics.
I got it.
You got an urn.
Yeah, I got on it now. It's on the on. So
That's really cool.
I'm gonna have 2 on. I'm gonna eat.
Want some help taking them out? Oh, you got it. I think you can do it.
Do it. I know I will. I just know I
I think you got him. You got him.
Yay! Here, I need another Undertaker, but that
Alright.
Undertaker.
Well, thanks very much for checking out our video. We appreciate your time. Happy early birthday, and we'll see you later. Take care.
Happy birthday.